Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to get a handle on your finances and make budgeting a breeze, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to use everydollar on your Android device. Everydollar is a fantastic app from Dave Ramsey's team that helps you track your spending, set budgets, and achieve your financial goals. It's super user-friendly, especially on Android, so let's get started step by step. First things first, you need to download the app. Open up the Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet, search for everydollar, and hit that install button. It should only take a minute or two, depending on your connection. Once it's installed, launch the app and you'll be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. If you're new, just enter your email, set up a password, and verify your account. This is quick and keeps your data secure. Now, onto the fun part, setting up your budget. The app will guide you through entering your income sources first. Be honest here, it's all about building a realistic plan. Then, categorize your expenses like groceries, rent, entertainment, and assign dollar amounts to each. Everydollar uses the zero-based budgeting method, meaning every dollar of your income is assigned to a category, which helps you avoid overspending. As you go about your day, log your transactions manually or connect your bank accounts for automatic tracking. That's a game changer. You'll get notifications if you're nearing your budget limits, keeping you on track. Don't forget to review your budget weekly. Adjust as needed based on what's working or not. Using everydollar consistently can really transform how you handle money. It's motivating to see your progress and stay debt-free. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's crush those financial goals together.